loose inside my brain. Everybody screams escape while dancing slowly in the maze. Dark reflections move like smoke. Every mirror tells a joke. I cross dimensions in my sleep. Still the machine was breathing deep. No heaven waiting, no final door, only rhythm underneath the floor. Dance through the static, move through the fire, laugh with the ghosts inside the wires. No need to fight it, no need to run. We are the shadow and the sun. Vibrations shake the ground, ancient drums and metal sounds. Arabic echoes breathing low like secret rivers down below. The city melts in desert heat, broken blues beneath my feet. Every system bends and sways inside invisible waves. Every exit folds inside, every truth becomes disguise. We disappear between the beats, where flesh and signal finally meet. Smile through the storm. Nothing real was ever born. No need for answers, no sacred key. The prison dances beautifully. Low drones, breathing percussion, fading blues guitar.